All right, guys, welcome back to the channel. I hope you're doing wonderful. We are doing an unboxing of Code Geass Union Arena. I'm collecting the sets of these, and I like to start with one box and then find the singles as I need them. I'm not really too concerned about the alt arts. It'd be nice to have them, but I really just want to have the set and maybe the ability to build a deck or two. So let's see what we have here in this box, and see what we need to add to the sets when we're done. We'll also be sorting these by color as well as we take them out. So it just makes it easier to put in the binder for the set. I do have Bleach and Hunter x Hunter and JJK. What's interesting about the Union Arena is I didn't know this. It was the only one that didn't have a starter deck. So I was looking for a starter deck, couldn't find one, but now it makes sense. And it's the only one that doesn't have a starter deck. So let's go ahead and see what's in this box promo. What do we get? We get a Suzaku Kurogi. Oh, goody two shoes over there. All right. First pack. This also is going to go for TikTok here. Follow me on Pull a Day. Kill Nina Nagasi. Clovis La Britannia. School Festival. Shinichiro. Lloyd. Millie Ashford. Revolution, Life or Death Free Formation. Submarine. Cornelia. And Euphemia Super Rare. 3 energy. Holy smokes. I didn't know it was 3 energy. That's crazy. It's the first time I'm seeing a 3 energy card. All right. Next up. Holy baloney. Got a Euphemia. Sayoko. Kosetsu. Bestowing Knighthood. Arthur. 0. Who also counts as Lelouch. Have a Vivi. Shirley. United States of Japan. Reason for Living. Varys. And a CC Super Rare. Put these into some colors here so we can. We'll do it later. We'll do the colors later. Now we'll just stack them up. All right, next pack. Jeremiah, Millie, Shinichiro, School Festival, Shinichiro again. 2 Shinichiros? No, they were different, but they're the same. Schneizel. Vivi, Shirley, Reason for Living, Kiyoshiro, and a action point. Nice. Put that over to the side. Next pack. Nagisa, Jeremiah, Millie, Clovis, School Festival, Shinichiro, Sutherland, Pure Blood Faction Fighter, Lelouch, Burai Kai, Siegfried, Kiyoshiro, and Lelouch Super Rare. Oh, Lulu. The Lulu Super Rare. His Super Rare is kind of interesting when looking at like CC's, because his doesn't have his name on here. If you look at CC's, it said, CC. So wherever I put that one at. Oh, I guess Euphemia didn't have it on there either. It's just kind of like a full frame picture. That's kind of cool. It's definitely a lot different than the other sets, which the regular Super Rares either have like a shadow behind them This one is like a picture frame of them. Valletta, New, Shirley, Ryoga, Unit Maintenance, Callan. Do everything in your power to let us go. Euphemia, Britannia, Nunnally, Diethard, House of Horror, Chess Game, and a Callan. If Lelouch is on your field, this character gains 1,000 BP. She's the ride or die zero homie. All right, let's go. Kosetsu, Valletta, Shirley, bestowing knighthood, Arthur, 0, Rakshata, Rivals, Lulu, Special Corpse, another Lulu, and a Shirley super rare. Hold up to 1 red event card from your sideline to your hand, or add up. That's cool. When you raid. All right. What do we have here? Jeremiah, Millie, Shen, Schnitzel, Checkmate. Oh wait, was the other Checkmate like a super rare Checkmate? I have to look at it again. I didn't realize that the Checkmate was a regular card. Suzaku, Gilbert, Rakshata, Rivals, Lelouch, Suzaku, and the CC rare. Let's go back, pull up the Checkmate. See what we have. Oh, it's Chess Game. It's different. All right. Boop. Britannian Soldiers. That's new. Kyoshira, CC, Callan, Suzaku, Ashford Academy. We can see this rare there. Sutherland, Lelouch, Burai Kai, President's Odors, a Gurren Mark II for Callan. That was a crazy robot. And then a Millie rare. Red deck seems kind of fun. Has some pretty powerful cards in there from what I've seen so far. Shinichiro, Andreas. This character gains 500 BP for each other character on your front line. That's kind of insane. Rakshata, like a searcher card. Schnitzel, another Checkmate. Suzaku, Callan, military buildup. Ganymede. Anybody with Ashford Academy can pilot this one. Trailer, Callan, and a Gekka for Kyoshiro. What were they calling them? The Orange something? Orange Project? Orange Justice? Kill, Nina, Nagisa, Callan. Do everything in your power. Clovis, CC. All Hail Britannia, CC. Liv, Suzaku, and Action Point. See, I went to the release event, so I now have 3 action points for this game, this particular set. Oh, that looked kind of fancy back there. Kosetsu, Valletta, Shirley, Ryoga, 0, Unit Maintenance, Ganymede, Kaname, Cecile, Callan, this card that is so hard to see, Order of the Black Knights, and a a rare 1-star CC. So all these areas that look textured are actually textured. That's kind of cool. Switch to resting. This character gains purple energy generation until the end of the turn. At the end of the main phase, sideline this character. This is like a 0 cost rare card. It's crazy. Like it's 0 cost rare with an alt art. That's an interesting choice. Kyoshiro, CC, Shogu, Suzaku, Ashford Academy, CC. Oh, this is the site for it. So choose one character on your raid, on your field with 3,000 or less BP. Play this turn and switch it to active. Oh, you get a double attack. But you have to do it on the main. I guess there's a character that can switch your card to inactive. Because not like a double attack. You can't switch it. Either you go into your attack phase, that's it. CC, All Hail Britannia, CC, Kaguya, CC. This is the CC deck. And Absolute Obedience. Power of Absolute Obedience. There's a lot of CCs in that pack. It was all CC. How many we got left? 4 left. Move this out of the way. All right. Shogu, Euphemia, Sayoko, CC, Bestowing Knighthood, Arthur, Siegfried, Callan, Military Buildup, Trailer, Jeremiah Gottwald, and Lelouch. I don't think I've seen any PC. Is Arthur a pizza cat? There's a CC card that requires pizza, and I wasn't really looking at the affinities. I don't know if there's any pizza affinity cards. Need to see what those look like. All right, and Ashford Academy Lelu with cat whiskers. Burai, Britannian, Cornelia. Oh, here's a delivery. Here's a pizza card. Delivery pizza. Callan. I might have got it and forgot. Kaname, Cecil. Callan, Liv. A Gluecester. And a Suzaku Super Rare. This is cool. Even this has a little texture to it. It's just like a regular Super Rare though. It's not like an alt, but it's still kind of cool. I think the font on the front is odd to me. All right, second to last pack. Ryoga, cool. Nina, unit maintenance. Callan, do everything in your power. Gluecester, giant pizza. Oh, okay. Gekka, President's Orders, Order of the Black Knights, and a Suzaku. When played, draw a card. For our final pack, we got Andreas, Rakshata, Lelouch, Burai, Cornelia, another pizza card, Gluecester, another pizza card, Gekka, Special Corpse Head Trailer, Lancelot, and Lelouch Super Rare. That's cool. These are 2 good cards to end on. So what is your favorite card out of these ones that I picked? I think I like the 0 cost rare star, 1-star rare. That's kind of cool. I don't think we have all the cards though. We're still missing some cards, but we'll have to see when we put them all in. Ooh. It'd have been nice if we got all of them in one box to fill up my binder. I'll keep you guys up to date let you know how that went. But thanks. Make sure you subscribe to the channel, and I hope you have a wonderful day and you have good pools on your cards. What deck are you playing if you're playing Union Arena? What card game are you playing? If you're playing any TCGs, let me know in the comments. And I'll see you in the next video. Thank you for watching. Until next time. Peace.